Hey, when we get done, we can go over there and watch the guys shoot archery, Nathan.
Nathan, what are you guys doing?
Throwing,
Yeah, they are.
Melanie, that's far enough. Melanie.
For the,
Good girl.
Oh.
We're almost done, Melanie. We're just down to poppy seeds. Here, let me get them out for you here, Melanie. Hold on. Come here, hold out your hand. Hold out your hand.
You both get some, Nathan.
One tried to run over there and he slipped on the leaves.
That's far enough, Mel.
Stop. Stop.
Melanie, stop.
Stop.
Good girl.
We don't want you to fall down in the water.
Throw it. Throw it.
Oh, geez.
Good throw.
Good girl. All gone. All gone. Yep.
Nice job, guys.
Look at that one down there. It's like a turkey vulture.
Yeah,
Where?
that's
Oh,
right
yeah.
down there.
Turkey.